All right. So create an array of int called ages that contains the following values. Array of int called ages with the corresponding values. Add a new age to your array. Oh, sorry. And print to your console. One A 9. B, add a new age to your array and repeat the step above. I did that. That's number 12. Or element 8, number 12. Use a loop to iterate through the array and calculate the average age. Put the result to the console. That comes out to 26.88888. Create an array of string called names that contains following values. And here's why I did that. Use a loop to iterate through the array and calculate the average number of letters per name and print the result of the console. 2A. I did this a couple of days ago, so bear with me, please. I created a for loop, assigned the variables, and got the equation in there. To B, use a loop to iterate through the array again and concatenate all the names together, separated by spaces. So I gotta do this because I couldn't figure out how to print everything. I got just print instead of print line. So there's that, and then unfortunately, I don't know how, but it would just automatically put number 6 there too. So back to looking pretty down on my console. All right, how do you access the last element of the array? Array.length -1. How do you access the first? It's accessed in 0. Create an array of int called name lengths. Write a loop to iterate over the previously created names array and add the length of each name to the names array. Name length array. So 5. Or did that. Number 6. Write a loop to iterate over the name lengths array and calculate the sum of all elements in the array. Print the result of the console. So 6 right here. And it's 23. All right, write a method that takes a string, word, and int as argument, and string, word, and int n as arguments, and returns the word concatenated to itself n number of times. So I chose hello and 3 is in the prompt here. Got hello, hello, hello for number 7. Here's the method for that. Print line. 8, write a method that takes 2 strings, first name and last name, and returns full name. I created a method that was going to return a string, called it full name, put a string in, both spots, one name first, one name last, concatenate them together to get my name, Jake Carlson. Write a method that takes an array of int and returns the true if the sum of all ints in the array is greater than 100. Here's my code there. Establish a variable at 0. Create a for each loop to work through the int array labeled hundo. Go through each individual element named x and add it to the sum for sum to century. And if sum to century is greater than 100, return true, false, false, and it returns true. 10, write a method that takes an array of double and returns the average of all the elements in the array. There's my code for that. Created a method that will return a double called the average, or the method name the average. Double array named numbers. So for each double y in my array of numbers, and then divide it by the number length. I didn't get any errors. I didn't create a system printout line because it does not say to. So 11, write a method that takes two arrays of double and returns true if the average of elements in the first array is greater. So I pulled from this method and used that math to assign a new double variable called average 1. And if 1 is greater than 2, return true. If not, return false. Again, it doesn't say to print to the console, so I did not. Write a method that is called will buy drink. Will buy drink. Boolean. I'm going to do Boolean is hot outside and the double money in pocket and returns true. So while we're doing a Boolean method and returns true if both it is hot outside and you got more than 1050 in your pocket. Returns false if not. Number 13, I don't even know how to create a problem. Not that creative. Knock me there, I guess. All right. Thank you.